Use as an extra unifying receiver to wirelessly connect a Logitech Flow mouse to a second computer and seamlessly cut, paste and move files between screens. Also a great add-on for an easy switch mouse, so you can connect it to a second computer and switch between both with the push of a button. Connects up to 6 unifying compatible mice and keyboards to each computer, so you don't sacrifice extra USB ports. Tiny receiver stays in your computer, so your mouse is always connected and ready to use. Advanced 2.4 GHz wireless technology for a powerful, reliable connection free of delays and dropouts. Up to 33 feet, 10 meters, wireless range. Compatible with the following Logitech mice: MX Master 2S, MX Anywhere 2S, MX Master, MX Anywhere 2, MX Performance, MX Anywhere, M720 Triathlon multi-device mouse, M705 Marathon mouse, wireless mouse M585 multi-device, wireless trackball M570, M545 wireless mouse, M525 wireless mouse, M510 wireless mouse, M325, M325C wireless mouse, M310 wireless mouse, M317 wireless mouse. M317C is not compatible. M187 ultra portable. Compatible keyboards and combos. Illuminated living room keyboard K830, wireless illuminated keyboard K800, K780 multi-device wireless keyboard, wireless solar keyboard K750, wireless solar keyboard K750 for Mac, wireless touch keyboard K400 Plus, K400 professional wireless touch keyboard, wireless touch keyboard K400, K375's multi-device wireless keyboard and stand combo, K360 compact and slim wireless keyboard, K350 Comfort Wave, K270 full-size wireless keyboard, wireless performance combo MX800, MK850 performance wireless keyboard and mouse combo, wireless solar keyboard and mouse MK750, wireless desktop MK710, MK570 Comfort Wave, MK550 Comfort Wave, MK530 Advanced, MK520 Advanced, MK360 Compact and Slim Wireless Combo, MK335 Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo, Wireless Combo MK320. Top reviews from the United States. Works like it's supposed to. Arrived timely and my mouse is working wonderfully with this receiver. Be aware the receivers are smaller than they used to be. They are easy to drop. Have a flashlight handy in case it falls under your table.